So guys, welcome back. You know what? I just asked ChatGPT to write me a simple bash script that take input from user and print it on the screen. Simple is that what it will do? It will ask me, "Hey, please enter something." It will read it, and then you have entered. Yeah, and then it is going to print out what I have entered previously. So what I'm gonna do? I will copy it, and then I will open my Kali machine. Well, you know what? I can do it through my terminal to connect with it. Let's switch to a root user, and yeah, no, let's go to the um, let's create a directory mkdir. This time, let's name it up bash. Okay, so let's go to the bash directory, and here in bash, what we need to do, we can create a new file. Let's name it touch. With the help of touch command, you can create a file, and let's name it bash.sh. Remember, you have to use the extension sh. Okay, previously we have learned how you can use an extension called .py for Python, but this time we are going to create a bash file with sh extension. Okay, so as you can see, we have a base.sh file, right? After that, what we need to do, let's open it using nano. Remember, there are multiple utilities that you can open any file, like mousepad, leafpad, and so many others, sublime text editor. But right now I will go with nano base.sh, and here I will paste it with control V. In order to save it, you need to hold control and type O, and you need to hit enter, and what it will do, it will override or wrote that 10 lines for you. Right, so what I did, I opened nano, I pasted it using control V, and then I save it with control A, and then I simply hit enter, and now it is saved. In order to exit, control X. Okay, let's get the bash file, either the data is there or not. So yes, indeed there is some data, and what we need to do, you know what, first give it an executable permission, chmod plus x, bash.sh. Now you can see that we have this bash file. We have two ways to execute it. The first thing is you can type bash and then name of the file bash.sh, and it will ask you, hey, please enter something. Let's say MasaudSec, and you can see it told me that you have entered MasaudSec. So this is how bash scripting work. You can either, you can easily execute it up using this dot forward slash, and then you can simply type bash dot sh name of the script, and what it will do, it will literally execute that bash script for you. You can either go with this method or this method dot forward slash, both are okay. So let's try MasaudSec, and you can see same technique and same way. So yeah, this is how to execute bash scripts up. I hope you got the idea. Okay, if you guys have any question, let me know. I will respond you, and make sure to subscribe, as well as make sure, if you are interested, to follow me on social media. My username is MasaudSec. You can Google it. I am available on all platforms almost. So take care, guys. Have a good day.